Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2026. I'm here at Port 32 Marina, and this is a waterline video of Edna's secret. I'm going to go ahead and go over the transom, go over the waterline. It is getting into the hotter season, and with the boat being just sitting here a little bit more, there is going to be more of a growth on one particular side that the sun faces. So I'm going to definitely show you what the baseline is, and then we'll do a before video probably in the next cleaning, just where you can see what it looks like. So that's the water line. Within about a week, probably a week and a half, you will definitely see a difference. So the next video is going to be the after video.